Hello everyone. Here's my second video on my YouTube channel. This is mainly for those working in the embedded Linux community and for those who want to connect, an FTDI cable to their PC. So most of the people who are working in the embedded Linux community might be knowing about this cable called as the FTDI cable. This cable is used for, debugging. It's used for basically looking at how the system boots up from the scratch. How does your microcontroller or your SoC basically boot up from the scratch, and how does your boot up scripts kind of work? I use it mostly to see that. And the reason why I made this video was because half of the videos I see on YouTube about installing FTDI drivers on your system are related to are related to those scenarios in which you kind of find it as an other device. Basically, you find FTDI listed out here in the universal bus controllers, serial bus controllers as a secondary device. But out here now, just let me connect my FTDI cable. I'll show it. This video is particularly for those who kind of look at it, who kind of get this prompt on their PC. So I connect an FTDI cable, and yeah, I basically see this as a libusb. Now, mind you, I have installed the FTDI drivers on my PC out here in FTDI. Where is that now? Yeah, so it's installed out here in FTDI drivers. So these are my system drivers, which should be actually assigned to the FTDI cable, but since my Windows 11 24H2 version doesn't detect this as an FTDI cable, I thought of making this video because I'm really frustrated by YouTube's response as well as ChatGPT's response, which basically told me to kind of disable the secure boot feature in Windows, but I've found a better solution to that. Okay, so let's get to the video. Now, out here, what you need to do is you just when you have this zip USB, just go to update driver, and then you browse my drivers, for the drivers on your computer. I go to this part, where this is located. It's in A FTDI drivers, FTDI drivers, and next. So so before going next, you can kind of go here. Because if you go next, yeah, it would basically tell you this. The best drivers for a device are already installed in Windows. This is what Windows would always tell you. So rather than going there, I would tell you to go here. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So yeah, I go to show compatible hardware, and usually in this case, I would see various libusb stuff. So for that, what you need to do is like just uncheck this box. Yeah, you can see this. So usually I would see in this case. So I would just uncheck this box. Okay. And now if I go have disk, you can insert the manufacturer's installer disk, which is basically installing your drivers from your list. And if I go to the particular folder, so this is work A, search for FTDI drivers, and I get this, and these are the drivers. So just open it. Uh, just open this. Okay, it's not coming off. It came here. So these are my FTDI drivers out here. I just press OK, and out here you can see show compatible hardware as a USB serial converter. I click or double click on this, and yeah, so Windows has updated my drivers. So now, yeah, it shows as a serial port COM8. Now you're ready to go with putty and basically connect to COM8, and yeah, you're good to go. So let me just. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, and subscribe.